Hi, Illugi here from Sterna.is, your expert in Dynamics 365 customer engagement and Power Platform. In this video, I will continue with the task of integrating a web form with Dynamics 365 using Parserr and Power Automate. In the first part of this demo, I set up Parserr and connected it with my web form. In this second part, I will create the flow and test it out. So let's get started. So what we will start doing is creating our flow. So after we've logged into the flow portal, we'll click create and select to start from blank, and we will select the automated flow triggered by a designated event. We'll give our flow a name. Use the search here to look for Parserr. When an email is received, and we click create to create our flow. So it's relatively simple. We just select the inbox that we created on our Parserr portal in our previous video. Click on next step or new step. And we want to create a new record in the common data service. So select the environment that's hosting your Dynamics 365 sales system. And we'll look for, and nota bene, you can create any type of record in, for any entity for that matter. But in this case, we want to stick to our scenario, creating a lead from a website, and I want to go search for it. You can also use the search because it's a bit quicker. So we're going to insert parameters from previous steps. The last name, we have it here. And then we're choosing a topic. That's gonna be the name. What we want to do is that we want to capture the owner of the record. So we don't want to have an orphan record inside of CRM. So what we'll have to do then is to know the GUID of that record or the owner ID. To do this, I'm using a tool called PowerUp for Dynamics 365. It's an extension for Chrome. You can get it for free. So I have the user here in Dynamics. This is my user, and I want the GUID. Using this extension, I click on the Power Up button, or Level Up, it's called actually. Anyway, so I want the record ID for this user, so I just hit on the record ID button, and then it's been copied to my clipboard, which is exactly what I want. So inside the flow, I'll just hit Command V or Control V to paste in the owner. So we can see here, you can see that I've pasted in the ID of this user. And then I select here System Users. So when we're done filling out all the fields for the lead that we need, we click Save on that flow. And then next we want to test it out. To do that, we click on this button here, Test, and we choose that we want to perform the trigger action. And click Save and Test. What we have to do now is to fill in the form that is connected with our Parserr system. So once I've filled in the form, I hit Submit. And then we go back to our flow. Now we can see the flow is running. The email has been received. And the record has been created. go to our leads and find our new leads here. And everything looks good. If your test is successful, good job. You've completed the task of integrating your website with Dynamics 365 Sales using Parserr parsing software. If you like this post, please subscribe to my blog and YouTube channel. Also, feel free to share this blog post and leave your thoughts or comments in the comment section below. Thanks.